Dear student, already we discussed reflection through x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to y-axis as well as y equal to minus x-axis. All the line passes through the origin, but there may be situation arise. The line may not be passing through the line or may not be passing through the standard axis. So there may be situation we have to reflect an object with an arbitrary line. If the line y equal to mx plus c is an arbitrary line, after reflect what is the new coordinate of an object we have to calculate. For that reason we have to follow these steps one by one. First one to follow 5 steps. So steps 1, translate the line along with object to the origin. Step 2, rotate the line along with object about origin until the line coincides with one of the axes. Step 3, reflect the object about coincide axis which is comfortable with us. We will consider that axis. Step 4, apply inverse rotation about origin at the translated position. Step 5, apply inverse translation to send back to the line along with object to the original position. For example, if we consider a object ABC with an arbitrary line y equal to m.x+ c. So is an arbitrary line y equal to m.x+ c, x-axis, y-axis. So suppose a object like this, ABC, if we reflect that object about that line, that means if I put a mirror on the top of that line, then where it will be reflect we have to calculate. So how do we do? So first step, we have to translate the line along with object to the origin. First step. So we have to translate the object along with line to the origin. So that means translation needed. Next step, rotate the object along with line until the line coincide with one of the axes. So I can rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise. Anything I can do. So here if I rotate clockwise, then it align to the x-axis. Next step, reflection about x, because we align with the x-axis. So reflection about x, then inverse rotation, rotation back to the translated position, line along with object, and then inverse translation, that means line along with object to the original position after rotate. So the final transformation matrix T equal to first transformation matrix for translation, where Tx equal to, what is the value? Y equal to mx plus c. If we put the here x equal to 0, if we put the value of x equal to 0, y equal to c, so that c amount I have to translate. So tx equal to 0, ty equal to c, or I can write tx ty, whatever, tx unit, yeah, okay, into rotation object, into rotate. Now rotate the object along with so here I rotate theta degree clockwise, so t theta negative into reflection about reflection about x equal to 0 axis, because reflection about this axis, reflection into again inverse rotation, after reflection inverse rotation, inverse translation, step 4, step 5. So inverse rotation t theta, now I have to rotate clockwise, theta positive into t of inverse translation, trans translation, tx equal to 0, ty equal to minus c, it is minus 1, minus 1. Last is inverse rotation, inverse translation. Now we have to multiply from right to left. So final transformation matrix t equal to, I can write first this one. So what is the transformation matrix for this translation, inverse translation? 1 0 tx, 0 1 ty, 0 0 1, the inverse translation into inverse rotation, positive degree, তার মানে cos theta minus sin theta, 0 sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 inverse into reflection about x. Reflection about x means what? X remains same, y will be negative 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. Rotate clockwise, cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 into translation means into 1 0 tx 0 1 ty 0 0 1, সেটা ইনভার্স, তার মানে এটা নেগেটিভ, এটা পজিটিভ, এটা প্লাস, এটা মাইনাস সি, এটা প্লাস সি. Here c amount we have to increase or decrease. So this is the final transformation. You have to multiply matrix multiplication. Okay, now I like to discuss the example